Hello guys, we will make the BIOS of 430G8 with some error. So first we need the serial number, BID and version. So for this I have to write 430G8 and search. You can see here the serial number is 5CD053CK0. So already I have made one text document. You can see here this is the serial number. And I will go to Chrome and search HP driver. Select laptop and we have to paste the serial number here. Search. And this is the long video, so if you want to learn then you have to watch this. Select the operating system. So I have selected Windows 10 and the version 10. Submit. Select BIOS and we will go to previous version and we will select the version. So my version is 1.22.0 and the BID is T70. So I will show you. So first I will drop the old BIOS in the hex swaps and I will search with T70. This is the BID for this, here this is the BID. T70 is my exact BID. So here T85 will search in the backup. You can see here T85, this is not matching. This also T87, the not matching. T88, this also not matching. T89, this also not matching. T8, this also not. So my BID is T70. You can search the here. My BID is T70 and my version is 1.22.0. so we will download that one. So here you can see the BID is T70 and my version is 1.22.0. so I will download that. Now I have downloaded that one and I will extract this one. So we have to extract by clicking right click and we have to select the exact BID matching, otherwise system will not on. So my BID is T70, not T89, not T88, T70. So I will select this one. And so my BIOS region is 16 MB, but here given is the 31.589 MB. So I will open in HXT and this is my shortcuts for from above. I will delete this. This is the, you can see here, this is garbage. So I will delete above all this garbage. First I have to delete and to find the exact. So my BIOS region is 16 MB and we know that the BIOS offset 16 MB is 1 times 6 times 0. So we will do we will select all and select block. So here what you have to do is this 1 6 times 0 end of offset and length should be same 1 times 6 times 0 and apply OK. So this is the 16 MB. I have copy file new. So I will paste here, and I will save. New BIOS region, and have to replace this new BIOS region in the old BIOS. So how to do that, I will teach you. So you need to open both new BIOS region and old BIOS backup. So first you can see here new BIOS region is 16384 16 MB. So we will replace this new BIOS region in the old BIOS. So we will open both of the BIOS, and already know the offset of 16 MB is 116 times 0. So Control G and search, type 1 times 6 times 0. Okay, and you can see here we have gone to exact location. So first we will copy the new BIOS region, Control A and C. We'll copy all BIOS region, and again I will copy, code mistake. So Control Shift, we have to press Shift and scroll down and touch in the last. So here you can see the offset is selected, and I will paste the new BIOS region which I have selected. So first, then this I will save new BIOS without clean. New BIOS without clean.bin. So now we have to clean even ME or so. So we will clean ME. So BIOS region is, we have replaced BIOS region. So now we will clean ME. So for it we need repository of this and tools. So first we'll drag in the ME analyzer to see the CSME version, and you can see here the CSME version is 15.0.52277. So I will copy this, and I will go to my collection to is it available or not. So I will go to my collection to take the repository file. Here you can see not available. And already I have put here that this is the repository file, and now we need is the tool. This is which version, let me see again, 15.0. this is the, so I will select the tool is 15.0. I will copy this. So I have got both tools and repository files to clean ME. So first I will open this and run FIT tool, and I will drag the BIOS, new BIOS without clean me, and here you can see that the error has occurred, and what is written here, the failed to parse CSE region. So we need to paste the CSE region. So for these errors we need, that is one software EC Finder. for patching the CSE region. So here I have this software. For this you have to connect Wi-Fi or net. Here you can see here, this is the CSE region error. How to solve this? So we need this tool, EC Finder. You can see here I have this software. Whatever you have to do is to drag and drop this file which has error occur. So I will do. So first I will open this EC Finder CMD and run. Wait for time. And what I have to do is drag and drop the error file. This is you can see here that file, new BIOS without clean me. I will drag and drop and press enter. You can see that CSE is patching. Here one file got ready, that is without clean CSE fix.bin. So again I will open this in FID tool and let's see error has gone or not. So I will delete this all FID log also, and I will open it FID tools and drag that fix file, CSE fix file. So I will drag this CSE fix.bin and you can see that the error has gone. Now build setting, generate intermediates, will do yes no, and build the I will save the file. Untitled.xml save, and now I will replace new repository file with old. I will copy the repository file and we'll go to decompose and we will take the name ME subpartition. You have to copy the name of this text. So I will rename this and copy the file name and we will give this file name as a ME subpartition. Paste and we will delete this A bin. This is the old ME. So I will delete, and again I will open the FID tool. So I will open this FID tool. And I will drag and drop this untitled.xml in this FID tool. Now you can see here the file is ready. Now yes, but here you can see this is PTT is disabled, so I will enable this in this section. I will go to PTT section and enable all the setting. This is here, no down. Here you can see there PTT is all. Now I will enable and all this PTT setting. And build the image. Now you can see we got that autoimage.bin 32.768 BIOS with clean. So let's compare both BIOS, old and new BIOS. That is, so you can see here my new BIOS is configured and old BIOS is initialized. Thank you.